So when we have the moon in between the earth and the sun, we have solar eclipse or eclipse of the sun, also known as lunar eclipse. But when we have the earth in between the sun and the moon, we have eclipse of the moon or lunar eclipse. So there are two types of eclipse: the annular eclipse and the lunar eclipse. Annular and lunar. So annular eclipse is also called solar eclipse or eclipse of the sun, while lunar eclipse is also called eclipse of the moon. Annular eclipse is formed when the moon is in between the sun and the earth, while lunar eclipse is formed when the earth is in between the sun and the moon. When the moon is in between the sun and the earth, this part we have complete shadow, while the upper part here we have partial shadow. So these people on the earth around this region, we have partial eclipse, while the people on the earth around this region at that moment we have total eclipse. So people at this point on the earth will experience complete darkness for that moment. It might be in the morning, in the day, everywhere will just go dark, immediately as though it was night. But people here will experience, and this is what we have experienced several times in Nigeria. But in the late 1960s, so we're told, it was complete darkness. It was in the day, and everywhere just became dark, and people thought it was rapture. But in recent times, 2007, it was partial experience. So it therefore shows that we were around this region. So this is eclipse. Now, eclipse of the moon. Eclipse of the sun occurs at a very short period of time. It lasts for just 5 minutes. So now we'll look at pin image and pin-o camera. Okay, just like we have our shadow eclipse, image is formed. An image is formed on a screen. Is formed on a screen. On a screen. And the screen is found. There are two places a screen can be found. Can be found in cameras and can be found in the eye. The screen in the eye where images are formed is called retina. Retina. So we want to look at pin-o camera. So when we have a source of light, an object, and a screen. So an image is formed when an object is placed in between a source of light and a screen. So an image is formed when an object, an opaque object, is placed between a source of light and a screen. Now we'll talk about types of image. We have two types of image. We have real image and virtual image. We'll talk about that later. But let's do pin-o camera. This is a camera, a box which you can construct on your own. Just a box, a wooden box. Just you construct a wooden box this way. Make a small pinhole. Then put a screen behind. Once light enters here and you obstruct the light, the shadow, the image of that object with which you obstructed the light will cast on this screen. So we have, this is the object. Light will go from here, pass here to here. Please don't forget to put an arrow. So we have, did you see this is the edge of the object? Is that not? Where is it now? Here. Therefore, the image that is formed in your camera is usually inverted. So an image that is usually inverted is real image. So if you look at yourself in a mirror and you are erect because you are not real, check out. Look at where you are standing. You see that your image is as if it's behind the mirror. It's not real. So those images that are erect are virtual image. The real images are inverted. Pinhole camera. What's a pinhole camera? The pinhole camera is a rectangular box with a pinhole in front and a screen at the background used in taking the photograph of an object. A pinhole camera is a rectangular box with a pinhole in front and a screen behind used in taking the photograph of an object. The screen could be a tracing paper or a ground glass. A ground glass or a tracing paper. But to take a picture of an object, a photographic paper or film is used. To take, now in your camera we don't call it screen, now we call it film. So that's what. So to take the photograph of an object, a photographic paper of film or a film is used. Instead of ground glass or tracing paper, you use photographic paper or film. And these are the concepts here. We have the OH, object height. This is the object. Behind is the image, and from here to here is the image height. While between the pinhole and the screen is the image distance. Then between the object and the pinhole is the object distance. So if we have to define object distance, the object distance the object distance is the distance between the object here and the pinhole. This is the pinhole here. So the object distance is the distance between the object, this object, and the pinhole. While the image distance is the distance between the pinhole and the screen. Note that once the image distance is increased, that is the length of the box, the image form will be enlarged but blurred. Once the length of the box, also known as image distance, is increased, the image height will increase but blurred. Then another concept is magnification. Image distance is the distance between the pinhole and the screen. So in magnification, you are always putting the image up and the object down. If you are using distance, must be distance down. If you are using height, must be height down. So in magnification is the ratio of the image height to the object height, or the ratio of the image distance to the object distance. So it's ID over OD or IH over OA. That's magnification. For a straight mirror, the magnification is 1. Why? Because your image height in the mirror is same thing as your height outside the mirror. So magnification will be 1. Your image distance, the distance between you and the mirror, is same thing as the distance between the mirror and the image formed behind it. So magnification is also 1. Take note of that. Now let's see some calculations now. Let's see some calculations. Calculations, question 1. An object 2.5 centimeter high is placed 10 centimeter from the pin O. Is placed 10 centimeter from the pin O. If the length of the pin O camera, is 30 centimeter, find the height of the image. Find the height of the image. So from the question, we'll first write out the givens. They said an object 2.5 centimeter high. So it means that object height is 2.5 centimeter. Please pay attention. Is placed 10 centimeter from the pin O. That is object distance. Is 10 centimeter. If the image formed is 30 centimeter high, that's image height, I8 is 30 centimeter. Say find the length of the pin O. The length of the pin O is what? Image distance.
So if the length of the pin O camera is 30 centimeters.
Okay, if the length of the pin O camera is 30, that's image distance. So find the height of the image, right? So IH. So we'll come in and add the ID over OD equals IH over OH. So ID is 30 over OD is 10 equals IH, we don't know, call it X, over OH is 2.5. So cross multiply, we have X, 10X equals 2.5 times this is 70. Is that?
Yeah.
So 10x over 10 equals 70 over 10. X equals 7 centimeters. That's how we have questions like this. Example 2. The image formed by a pin O camera is 3 times the object height. The image formed by a pin O camera is 3 times the object height. Find the distance of the object from the pin O of the object from the pin O if the length of the pin O camera is 8 centimeters. Or it's 9 centimeters. Solution. What were we given? We are given what?
Image forward pino camera 3 times.
So
The
image
object
height equals 3 times object height. So image height equals 3OH. What did they give us again?
They gave us find the distance of the object from the pinhole.
That's object distance, what they asked us to find. Question mark.
If the length of the pinhole is 9 centimeters.
No, I didn't say the length of the pinhole.
Ah.
If the length of the pinhole camera.
Yeah.
What
It's
is
9 centimeters.
That's image distance equals 9 centimeters. Now we have image distance over object distance. Are you paying attention?
Yeah.
Equals image height over object height. So image distance is 9. Object distance is, we don't know, they ask us to find. Image height is what? 3
Times.
OH. Object height is OH. OH cancels OH. So cross multiply. We have 3 OG equals 9. OG equals 9.
IH is repeating itself.
IH is not repeating itself.
Oh, it's 3 OH.
Image height is 3 times object height. So whenever we see IH, we'll replace it with 3OH. So IH, this IH will replace it with 3OH. That's how to solve mathematical question. So OD, object distance, is 3 centimeters. Note that a pinhole camera is quite different from a lens camera. A pinhole camera is quite different from a lens camera. For a pinhole camera to be used to take the picture of an object, for a pinhole camera to be used to take the picture of an object, long exposures are necessary. Long exposures are necessary to allow sufficient light to enter the box through the pinhole. Long exposures are necessary to allow sufficient light to enter the box through the pinhole. For a lens camera,